Hello everyone, welcome to Slay the World Bombas and Major. Now we are Stephanie Hall for the for our fabulous the Supermodel to Malaysia 2006. And beside me we have representative of Malaysia and also Borneo for the Catwalk Master for 2027. And maybe you can start from you. Maybe you can share with us how do you feel right now after we represent our beloved country and also who you would like to say thanks.
First of all, I want to express my feeling, and I'm so happy, very happy and proud of myself and all of my friends. And I want to thanks to Coach Keith for coaching me to until I can hear.
Hello, everyone. I just want to say I'm truly grateful and happy to be crowned as the Catwalk Master Malaysia 2026. It means a lot to me because all the hard work finally paid off, and I'm excited to represent Malaysia internationally next year and give my best on the biggest stage. Thank you.
Hai, saya Cinta Zara Danish. Saya berumur 15 tahun. Saya berada di KL. Saya bangga hari ini sebab saya dapat top 3 and Catwalk Master Malaysia 2027. Saya berterima kasih dekat Cikgu Syafiq untuk mengajar kita orang. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Adilas and I'm 5 years old. Thank you, teacher. I really love my teacher. My teacher is the best.
Hi everyone, I'm Liu. I'm representative for Borneo for the Catwalk Master 2027. I feel proud, excited, and happy because come back again in pageantry and modeling industry for the next year. That's all for me.
All right, congratulations once again for all of you. So I wish you best of luck and represent our beloved country, Malaysia, and also Borneo for the Catwalk Master 2027. See you again and bye bye.